It's a very special place for the Navajo and the Ute and other tribes to come to do their prayer offerings. Very close to nature.
But a place like this is just too special to allow to continue to be degraded.
It's not the monument that makes me as nervous as the use of that kind of power that was never intended to be put in the hands of one person, to be used unilaterally to create a 1.9 million acre monument.
Today I'm signing a new executive order to end another egregious abuse of federal power and to give that power back to the states and to the people where it belongs.